Hi everyone. The environment is one of the most common IELTS topics. But here's the problem. Most students just say, pollution is bad, or we should protect the planet. Examiners hear this every day and it won't get you Band 7 or higher. Watch until the end for the full list of advanced environment vocabulary and phrases you can use to sound more fluent and confident in writing and speaking. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Let's get started. Advanced vocabulary. Sustainable development. Growth that meets today's needs without harming future generations. Example: sustainable development is essential to balance economic progress with environmental protection. Carbon footprint, the amount of greenhouse gases produced by a person, company, or country. Example: governments should encourage people to reduce their carbon footprint by using public transport. Biodiversity, the variety of life in an ecosystem. Example: deforestation leads to a loss of biodiversity, threatening countless species. Renewable energy, energy from sources that don't run out, such as solar, wind, or hydropower. Example: investment in renewable energy is vital to combat climate change, environmental degradation, damage to the natural environment. Example: industrial activities often result in severe environmental degradation. Global warming, the gradual increase in Earth's temperature caused by greenhouse gases. Example: global warming has led to rising sea levels and extreme weather conditions. Conservation efforts, actions to protect and preserve the environment. Example: conservation efforts are necessary to save endangered species. Useful phrases for IELTS, essays and speaking. Cause and effect. As a result of deforestation, many species are facing extinction. The overuse of fossil fuels has led to an increase in global warming. To compare. Compared to fossil fuels, renewable energy sources are cleaner and more sustainable. Although economic growth is important, it should not come at the expense of the environment. To give opinion and evaluation. It is widely believed that environmental protection should be a global priority. On balance, the long-term benefits of sustainable policies outweigh the short-term economic costs. Top 10 IELTS speaking expressions. The environment is one of the most pressing issues of our time. Climate change is a challenge that affects everyone. As a result of deforestation, many species are losing their habitats. The overuse of fossil fuels has led to an increase in global warming. Compared to traditional energy sources, renewable energy is cleaner and more sustainable. Although economic development is important, it should not come at the expense of the environment. I firmly believe that governments should take stronger measures to protect the environment. There is a growing awareness about the importance of eco-friendly lifestyles. One major concern is the erosion of natural habitats due to human activity. Sustainable development is crucial to balance economic growth with environmental protection. Speaking Part 3, example. Questions and answers. Question 1. What can individuals do to help the environment? Individuals can take small but meaningful steps. For example, they can use renewable energy sources at home, recycle waste, and avoid single-use plastics. There is a growing awareness about eco-friendly lifestyles, and if more people adopt these practices, it can significantly reduce environmental harm. Question 2. Do you think governments are doing enough to protect the environment? I believe some governments are taking steps, but on balance, more action is needed. Sustainable development policies should be enforced, and stricter regulations on pollution and deforestation are necessary. Conservation efforts must be prioritised to protect endangered species and natural habitats. So now you have advanced environment vocabulary and phrases that will help you write stronger essays and give more confident speaking answers. Don't forget to download the free PDF with all of today's vocabulary and examples. Link in the description. If you found this lesson useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And don't miss the next video, where we'll cover IELTS education vocabulary.